Hello, friends. Thank you for visiting Adventures in Food with Howard. If you've been here before, then thanks for stopping by again. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Yakisoba is a traditional home-style Japanese noodle dish that can be found in virtually every Japanese household. It is a delicious blend of meat, seafood, or tofu, and assorted vegetables with a very savory sauce that takes its main flavor component from Worcestershire sauce. Traditional yakisoba vegetables include any combination of cabbage, onions, carrots, or bean sprouts. You can also add any other vegetable that you like that can be stir-fried. Some of my other favorite protein sources for this dish are bacon or leftover chicken. Today I'm using frozen thawed diced shrimp because that's what I had available. And I stayed within the traditional realm by using cabbage, onions, and carrots and bean sprouts for my vegetables. I also had some leftover steamed asparagus that I chopped, and I'll add that when the dish is almost finished. FYI, even though the name yakisoba literally means grilled buckwheat noodles, traditional yakisoba noodles are made from wheat flour. Today I'm using a large electric griddle that is specifically designed for making yakisoba and other grilled and fried Japanese dishes, but you can absolutely make this at home in a large frying pan. Heat your pan over medium-high heat, add about a tablespoon or two of oil to the pan. When I cook bacon for this dish, I use the bacon grease to fry the vegetables. It gives a wonderful flavor to the entire dish. Stir fry the vegetables for 2 or 3 minutes, just until half cooked. Make sure to not overcook your vegetables because they will cook some more later in the recipe. The amount of vegetables to cook can be scaled up or down depending upon how many people you're going to feed. Remove the vegetables from the pan and allow the pan to come back up to temperature. Now add your protein. This could be meat, seafood, or tofu, whatever you like. Stir fry your protein, again being careful not to overcook it because it will receive a second cooking. And then remove it from the pan and keep it with your vegetables. The yakisoba noodles should be fresh, but you are also likely to find them frozen. Stores often freeze these fresh noodles for longer storage. Remove the noodles from their package, and if the noodles are frozen, add the frozen noodles to the hot pan along with about 1/3 cup of water. Cover the pan immediately so that the steam from the water can do a quick thaw of the frozen noodles. Check the noodles after about 1 minute of steaming, and using tongs, break up the noodles. The water should be gone by now, and if the noodles look too dry, add some oil to the pan and stir fry the noodles for another minute. Using one of the seasoning packets that come with the noodles, sprinkle the seasoning evenly over the noodles. Using your tongs, thoroughly combine the noodles with the seasoning. With your pan still on medium-high heat, add the vegetables and your protein. In my case, I'm using shrimp, and the other 2 seasoning packets, and stir everything together for another minute or 2, just until everything is well combined and the vegetables and meat are cooked to your liking. After everything is done and fully cooked is when you want to add any leftover meats or vegetables. In my case, I'm using leftover cooked asparagus that's diced. Since they don't need to be cooked, all you need to do is warm them up and then serve immediately. This dish does best when eaten freshly cooked. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if so, please hit that subscribe button. Also give it a like and leave me a comment. I really do enjoy hearing from you. Join me next time on Adventures in Food with Howard. Bye for now.